morning for me. I hope it's morning for you wherever you are in the world. So, I'm Rachel with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and we're gonna make some delicious ice cream. And it's simple, so easy. It's 3 ingredients. So let's get started. I'm gonna turn this light on now. It makes rings on my glasses, so that's why I didn't want it on my face. Get y'all where y'all can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so we're gonna use, this is a 20-ounce can of pineapples, crushed. They're crushed. We're gonna have a sweetened condensed milk. Y'all, it's backwards for me. And some orange soda. You can change the recipe up if you wanted to use, some peaches and do some peach drink, or do strawberry or blueberry even. That would be doable. So, all I'm going to do is open up this can of pineapples. Get everything out of there. We want all the juicy, yummy stuff. I love pineapple. So, now we're going to get that out of the way. Get y'all as close as possible over here. Get our condensed milk out. This ice cream is so good, y'all. The taste of it is just, it tastes light, even though, it's loaded with the sugars and carbs, but, ice cream is. But this stuff is just, it's nice for a summer treat. It's nice for, we had it at Christmas, last year? Was it last year? I think so. We have it a good bit. I've even taken this to work before, made it at work. So it is yummy. And I'm just trying to get all the goodness out of here. All the sweet stuff. Okay, I think I've about got it. So, basically, you have more dishes out than you have ingredients. So I'm just taking a little whisk here. Kind of get this all kind of mixed up together. Between y'all, I just see a little, sometimes a pineapple has little dark spots on it. If you've ever done a fresh pineapple, you know it's got that dark stuff on it. Let me rinse that off. Got a towel somewhere. Okay, because I'm short, and I have a tall ice cream maker, I put it in my sink because I'm short. I tell everybody I'm short and sweet and hard to beat. And I get told that I'm short and sweet and need a beating. So said, no, y'all got that wrong. Now, I'm going to try to do this. Usually I make a mess, but it's not just with this. It's everything I do, I make a mess. So, why should I change? Just last 2 or 3 days I have dropped everything I picked up. I have spilled stuff. I mean, it just, I don't know. This will sit up. It'll sit there. Y'all can see, can't you? Okay, so I'm going to pour. I was going to make this and record it for y'all the last, let's see, last holiday was July the 4th. And right as I was fixing to start recording, the family came in. And so I said, I'm doing this early this time because they don't want to, you know, TV's going to be on, it's going to be a football game or something. We don't need copyright issues. All that kind of stuff. Many channels on TV, and then they don't want to be quiet, and they don't want to be on camera. So there's that. All right, now okay. So that's what it's looking like. So I'm going to drop that down in there. Now we're going to pour this orange in here. And it's not going to take a whole 2 liter. About 2/3 is what I'm going to use. Y'all, my youngest son, he loves this. Now, some people don't like the frozen pineapples in it. That's the best part for me. Okay, so I just took my whisk and just stirred it up. Y'all can't see because this is a tall one. The orange and pineapple, yum. Okay. I'm gonna put our little spinner in here. And our top on there. Okay. I'm glad I had ice. I had coffee in this morning. But I did wash it. That's my mug, y'all. I've got those on Etsy. This may be a little... I've had this ice cream maker for a long time. Let's see. certain way, it clicks on there. Holding this thing until it gets done. It's going, yay! It's going to think about it every once in a while. So, it's turning. And I'll be working here in the kitchen. It's loud, y'all. I know. I'm going to get off of here and let this finish, and when it gets done, I'm back. And with the magic of the camera, y'all didn't have to wait 30 minutes. So, let me turn you down. And I just took the top off because it was started skipping. Looking yummy. So there's 3 ingredients: a can of crushed pineapples, some sweetened condensed milk, and some orange soda. Oh, it's gonna be yummy. And I guess you would need a bag of ice and some rock salt. So we're gonna do a taste test. I'm not gonna get a little bit because nobody's here yet, and for lunch. Amazing. Perfect. I have a Tupperware. This is what years and years ago. It's got a little thing that you pull up and down, a little tray. It's got a handle on each end. Put your roast in it, and then you could just lift it up. But it Tupperware is freezer proof. So I'm gonna put it all in there and put it in the freezer, and then it's gonna be ready whenever after we get through eating lunch. So thank y'all for watching. Hit the subscribe, the thumbs up, share with your friends. Tell them to join us over here. The more the merrier. And y'all get to craft and make something beautiful. Remember, I love you all. And if you don't want to get to crafting, get in the kitchen and make something yummy. Or make something yummy, take it to the craft room and craft and eat there. The best of both worlds, right? So I hope y'all try this, and if you try different flavors, let me know how you like them, like the strawberries, the blueberries, the peaches, any of those. You can, get different flavors of drink and add the different fruits in there. Peach would be really good. Strawberry would be really good. So y'all let me know. Thank y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, y'all.